Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Check your Android version and free storage because apps need room to run. Once done, enable Play Store or allow installation from unknown sources if sideloading. This lets the app install. Make sure you're signed into a Google account so downloads and backups work. Then open the Play Store, search the app name, and tap Install. You'll see progress. Wait until it finishes before opening to avoid incomplete setup errors. You'll now complete the app's first run configuration. When the app asks, grant essential permissions like storage and notifications so features function correctly. Deny only if you understand the consequence. Next, follow the onboarding screens, skip or complete the tutorial based on familiarity, and set preferences such as theme or sync frequency. If the app offers account linking or data import, connect services now to avoid redoing work later. Take a moment to review settings. It saves time afterward. You finish by testing the app's core feature for a couple of minutes to confirm everything works. If the app freezes or behaves oddly, force stop it and clear cache in settings. This often resolves transient issues. Make sure your network is stable and restart the device if problems persist. If errors continue, back up your data, uninstall, and reinstall the app to restore a clean state. If reinstalling doesn't help, check permissions again before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.